Today, we're diving into the exciting developments surrounding the rumored DJI OSMO Action 6. With multiple leaks, FCC certifications, and sneak peeks at what could be the retail packaging, DJI seems ready to unveil a new powerhouse in the action camera world. Let's break down all the potential upgrades and features that could make the OSMO Action 6 the next big thing. DJI's bold move with the OSMO Action 6. Once again, DJI is stirring up excitement in the action camera market. The rumored OSMO Action 6 has been the subject of growing interest thanks to recent leaks, FCC certifications, and even what appears to be a glimpse of the retail packaging. According to the Federal Communications Commission, the OSMO Action 6 has already been approved for sale in the United States, one of the final steps before an official launch. The leaks and sneak peeks. Shortly after these filings, a photo surfaced online showcasing the OSMO Action 6's box, shared by a user named Hakasushi on X. This box design is said to resemble previous OSMO Action camera packaging. While many are confident in its authenticity, some experts believe the image may have been slightly altered, adding to the suspense and excitement. Regardless, it gives us all a glimpse of what might be coming soon. The camera sensor. Quality. You can count on. Looking at the camera's rumored specs, things are looking very promising. It's expected that the OSMO Action 6 will feature a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, similar to the one found in the OSMO Action 5 Pro. This sensor size is known for delivering exceptional image quality, especially when filming in dynamic lighting conditions. DJI likely stuck with this sensor because of its excellent performance, particularly for action shots and fast-paced filming. Wide field of view for immersive footage. Another exciting rumor is that the OSMO Action 6 might come equipped with a 155 degrees field of view. This wide angle is perfect for capturing high-energy scenes such as mountain biking, surfing, and other fast-moving activities. A wide FOV helps create immersive, dynamic shots, making action footage feel more engaging and thrilling for the viewer. DJI has consistently used this angle in previous models, and it looks like they're sticking with it for the OSMO Action 6 battery life. A key upgrade. Battery life is a major consideration for any action camera user, and DJI seems to have listened to the demands for improved endurance. Leaks suggest the OSMO Action 6 may come with two battery variants, one with a 1770 mAh capacity and a larger option with 1950 mAh, matching the size of the OSMO Action 5 Pro's battery. If this larger option becomes the standard, we can expect solid performance, possibly even better than before. There's also growing speculation that DJI could launch multiple versions of the camera, possibly a standard model and a more advanced Pro variant, catering to different user needs and budgets. Advanced connectivity for seamless workflow connectivity is another area where the OSMO Action 6 is expected to shine. Leaks suggest it will support Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi. These upgrades would allow for faster file transfers, smoother app connectivity, and a more reliable connection to accessories. This wireless flexibility is crucial for users filming in the field who need to quickly share footage or remotely control the camera. Durability. Ready for anything. When it comes to durability, DJI has built a solid reputation, and it seems the OSMO Action 6 will be no different. While official waterproof ratings have yet to be released, we can expect the camera to offer similar waterproof capabilities to past models, around 18 to 20 meters without a case. This kind of performance is essential for action cameras, especially for those who want to capture footage in all kinds of environments, from underwater to extreme weather conditions. Two versions, Standard and Pro models. One of the most exciting aspects of the OSMO Action 6 is the possibility of two distinct versions, a standard model and a Pro version. This Pro version could feature upgraded specs, including a larger battery, better low-light performance, and enhanced stabilization. A focus on low-light performance would be a welcome change, especially for users filming in darker settings, such as indoor events or nighttime adventures. With a robust image sensor and superior low-light capabilities, the OSMO Action 6 could be an all-encompassing camera for every situation. Improved stabilization for smoother. Footage stabilization is another critical area for action cameras, and DJI has been known for its impressive rock-steady stabilization technology. The OSMO Action 6 is expected to further refine this feature, providing even smoother footage during high-intensity activities like running, biking, or snowboarding. Better stabilization means less motion blur, which results in clearer, more professional-looking videos. DJI knows the importance of smooth footage, and it seems they're committed to taking this to the next level. Smart features to enhance your experience. As always, DJI is expected to include a range of intelligent shooting modes in the OSMO Action 6. Active Track, a feature that automatically follows a moving subject, has been a favorite for many users, and it will likely make a return. Time-lapse modes, including hyperlapse and standard time-lapse, are also expected, allowing for creative and cinematic shots. Slow-motion recording, another fan favorite, is almost certainly going to be included, providing users with the ability to capture dramatic moments in high detail. Upgraded touchscreens for better visibility user experience is key to any successful action camera, and rumors suggest that both the front and rear touchscreens could see significant upgrades. Some leaks hint at brighter, possibly OLED displays, which would improve visibility even in direct sunlight. This small but important improvement would make it much easier for users to adjust settings and view footage while shooting outdoors. Design. Familiar, yet better when it comes to design, DJI seems to be sticking with what works. The leaked packaging suggests no major changes to the overall look of the camera. The OSMO Action series is already known for its rugged, practical design, and DJI's decision to keep things familiar makes sense. Existing users will feel right at home while still enjoying key improvements in performance and usability. Aperture details. Some uncertainty. However, there was one detail in the leaked image that raised some questions. Unlike previous models, the camera on the box didn't show the usual aperture marking on the lens. This absence has led some to question whether the image was tampered with, either to hide certain features or as part of a convincing fake. Until DJI officially unveils the OSMO Action 6, it's wise to approach these leaks with caution. Release date. When will it launch? As for the release date, DJI has yet to make an official announcement. However, based on FCC filings and DJI's typical product cycle, the OSMO Action 6 could be launching sometime in early to mid-2025. Some rumors suggest a spring 2025 release, which would align perfectly with summer travel and adventure plans for users. DJI seems poised to make a big splash in the action camera market with this powerful upgrade. A game changer in the action camera market. In conclusion, while the details surrounding the DJI OSMO Action 6 are still speculative, it's clear that DJI is preparing to launch a camera that could take action filming to the next level. With a familiar yet improved design, the possibility of dual versions, enhanced low-light performance, upgraded stabilization, and advanced connectivity, the OSMO Action 6 could very well be the camera that sets a new standard in the world of action cameras. Whether you're a casual user or a serious content creator, the OSMO Action 6 might be the camera you've been waiting for.